Toyota 4runner brake noise diagnosis. So the rotors are really grooved, like a record player, kind of. The pads are about 20-30% left, but they're going to squeak if you don't have a nice flat surface to run on. And the backs are even worse. There's a really big groove right there in the top. And these pads are still 60% or more. But again, not having a flat surface for those pads to run on will cause squeaking. This is usually caused when people replace or shops replace brake pads but don't do anything about the rotors. You have to machine or replace the rotors on every single brake job, or else you'll get problems like this, or you'll get warping, etc. So this needs a set of brake pads and rotors on all four wheels.